Very good morning. Welcome to Financial Freedom Show. I am CS Sudhir. Mr. Vasant has posted a question on the Financial Freedom app. He says, does smoking really affect my health insurance or insurance premium? Yes, it affects. So he's asking the next question, what are the things to be taken into consideration while purchasing insurance in case if I smoke? So now let me help you understand. How does it really impact? If you're purchasing health insurance, if you are a heavy smoker, obviously your health insurance premium will go up. In case if your health insurance company doesn't charge you extra premium, though you smoke, it means they're not doing justice to those who don't smoke, because the chances of a smoker spending on healthcare, the amount of money a smoker may spend on healthcare expenses would be much higher than a non-smoker. That's why it is important that they recover more money from those who smoke. Similar way, the chances of early death for a smoker is very high compared to those who don't smoke. So keeping this in mind, your term insurance and your health insurance premium will go up if you are a smoker. Same time, I want you to remember that it is not that if you smoke just 1 or 2 cigarettes a day, the premium will go up. They normally, the moment you say that, I smoke, they ask you how many cigarettes a day. According to that, the premium will vary. That differs from companies to company. Not just that, there's one more important issue. In case, in the proposal form, if you mention that I don't smoke, but later, if insurance company gets to know that you died because of smoking, you got this illness due to smoking, be it your health insurance or term insurance, claim may get rejected. So I want you to be very cautious about it. So at the time of purchasing this policy, I don't want you to, let the insurance agent fill up your proposal form. Please, you fill up the form, and while filling up the form, make sure you mention everything clearly. That you smoke, how many cigarettes, everything. Let them call you for a medical test. Let them charge you some extra premium, but they shouldn't reject your claim yet at the time of emergency or the accident or the death. Otherwise, what happens? Your family members will suffer. You will suffer. That should not happen to you. Apart from that, I want to tell you that this smoking will not just increase your health insurance or term insurance premium, it will also spoil your health, which is known to you. Why do you still smoke? It's because you get that kick. So if you really want to stop that, I want you to think about the value of money you're burning in the name of smoking. Just think about it. Even if you're spending 100 rupee a day for smoking, it is 3,000 rupee a month. It is 36,000 rupee annually. Sensex was 100 rupee way back in 1979, about 41 years back. Today, Sensex is touching almost 50,000, which means 100 rupee invested 40 years back is worth 50,000. 100 rupee cigarettes you smoke in a day today is worth 50,000 after 40 years. So, if you don't smoke for a day, you're not saving 100 rupee, you're saving 50,000 rupee for your family, for your life in the future. So please think in that way, stop smoking. This is why we have designed various courses on Financial Freedom app on life skills, and these courses will help you understand how you can live a better life, by exercising, by eating right, by developing certain skill sets, by coming out of some of these bad habits. Along with that, on Financial Freedom app, we have about 56 courses on personal finance, career, business, and farming. And these courses will definitely help you build your life. All I suggest is please download Financial Freedom app from Play Store or App Store and watch these courses. If you have any courses related to any of these topics, including any kind of loans, or even if you are looking for loans and you need our help, please post your request on the Financial Freedom app. I will answer your queries in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Be wise, get rich.